Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about string in a Python. So what is string? String is immutable data structure and basically string is a sequence of character. Okay. So in a string, we cannot change the element of any string, but we can perform a certain operation on the string. So here are the sum of the methods of the string which we will see in this video. Okay. So let's go one by one line and perform the operation according to the methods. So I have one string called s and which is represented using the string learning. So basically string, if we want to write a string, then you can write between the double quote or single quote. Okay, like this double quote or the single quote. So this is basically a representation of the string. Or you can write any character like this. Let's perform the operation or these methods onto this string s dot upper. Then this will convert your string into the uppercase like this. As you can see, learning Python. If you are performing lowercase, then it will convert all the letters into the lowercase. And if you want to check if this string, whole string having a letter in uppercase or lowercase, then you have to write this method s.isUpper. Then it will return us the false because we have some lowercase letter and the uppercase letter. Not every letter is in the uppercase, and after that is lower. Then this is also returning us the false because there is some uppercase letter also in our string. But if I remove that and add this lowercase letter, then it will return us the true. Okay, after that, if we want to check if there is if this string is having the digit or not, okay, then there is a is digit method, then it will return us the false. If I am adding 1 2 3 4, then it will return us the true because the string having the digit. And if I am writing this alpha method, then this method is basically checking if we have this every character is, if string is having only a characters, okay, not any numbers and not any space or not any other thing which are present in the string like space or any special character. Okay, this method will check if there is only character are present or not. So let's see this. So this will return as the false. Let's write our string learning, then it will return as the true. Okay, as you can see in the output. And if you are adding the space and writing another word and run the program, then is alpha method is not allowing a space also. Okay, so let's run the other methods. So other method is strip method. So strip method is basically used to remove the space from left and right side. Okay, so if I have a space at the right side and left side, then it will remove the space from the string. And if I want to remove only the space from my left side, then I will use L strip. and run the program, then it will return, it will remove the left space. Okay, and if I will use R strip, then that will return the string from right side. As you can see here, we can see the space at the beginning of the string, because that space is not removed using R strip, because that is removing only space from the right side, and if we are using L strip, then it will remove the space from left side, and using strip it will return the space from both the side. Okay, and if we want to count or get the length of the string, how many elements are present in the string, then we can use the length method, length of string. Okay, so that is 15. So in a string we have 15 characters are available, and after that there is a count method. Count method is used to check how many characters are present in our string. If we want to check how many I are present into our string, then it will return us the value. So there is only one I is present inside of our string. If I am adding I, another I, and return, then it will return us the 2, because 2 I are present in the list. Okay, so it will check how many time this element are occurred in the string, like that. Let's clear this and check the other method. Other method is starts with. So starts with method is basically checking if your string is starting with particular string or not. So let's see, our string is starting with LE, yes, or we can check learning, yes, and if I'm writing like this Python, then it will return us the false. Okay, and ends with method will check our string is ending with this particular string or not. Yes, it is ending with Python, but not with learning. Okay, so this is how you can check if your string is starting from learning or not, or you can check accordingly if the string is starting as per your requirement or not, or ending with or not. Okay, after that there is a split. S dot split will basically taking a argument, like if you on using which parameter you have to split. Okay, so currently we have this space, so we can use this space to split these two words. Okay, and if there will be any comma will be present or any hyphen is present in your string, so you can also split by that. Okay, and if I'm use this split method, then it will return us the list of words like this. It split by space, so it has split by space, so there is a two word, and our output is the list of words. Okay, or list of character sequence. So this is how you can split. And after that there is a join method. Now I have split this variable, and now I have to join this. Then how I can join? So if I want to join these two variable using space, then I need to write like this. So this is basically converting list to string. Okay, so I have written like space of string, dot join split. So this will return us the join string. Okay, as we have already have. This is how split and join is working. Now if we want to replace some word or sequence of character in a string, then how we can do that? Learning, I want to replace with is something. Okay, then it will replace the learning with something, right? So this is how you can also replace the sequence of character with other sequence of character or other string, we can say, right? So this is how you can perform the different operation or use the different method to get the output as per your requirement. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept of string and different method of string. So thank you, see you in the next video.